Welcome to Cores RS, the Research Core Seminar Series. I'm Paul MacLean, and today we're going to hear about 3 biomedical research cores supported by the Colorado Nutrition Obesity Research Center. Just a little bit about the Colorado NORC. The NORC is an NIDDK sponsored center grant. This is a P30 mechanism that is close to $6 million, funded over 5 years. We've had this institutional resource funded for close to 27 years now. The mission of the Colorado NORC is to advance the science of nutrition and obesity by facilitating interdisciplinary collaborative translational research, and by supporting the development of the next generation of scientists in the Rocky Mountain region. And the theme of the Colorado NORC is in the prevention and treatment of obesity and its metabolic complications across the lifespan through better nutrition, lifestyle modifications, and medical treatments. The NORC is one of 11 centers funded across the country. We're geographically located really ideally in the Rocky Mountain region. The members of our research base come from 5 different partnering institutions: Boulder, Denver, Colorado State, University of Utah. The vast majority of our research base is here on Anschutz Medical Campus. And we have a number of collaborating scientists from across the country. Our research base is comprised of close to 120 regular members that reflect full associate and assistant professors. Most of them are located here on Anschutz Medical Campus. And our research base come from a broad range of disciplines across campus and across these institutions. We have over 60 affiliate members that include trainees, faculty, scientists, and other educators who are interested in our enrichment programs. I show our funding portfolio because it's important to note that while this is a NIDDK sponsored center grant, we support research from a number of different institutes. And that's because nutrition and obesity are relevant to a lot of different disease states. And so while most of our research, our scientists are funded by NIDDK, you shouldn't feel that we are focused on NIDDK funded research, and we welcome people who are doing nutrition obesity research to come use our cores. We have a strong emphasis in supporting early career development with a number, over the past 5 years, supporting a number of career development awards, K awards, and the like. We support our research base through a pilot and feasibility program, an enrichment program, and 3 biomedical research cores that you'll hear about today. And the reason why I bring this up is to emphasize our pilot and feasibility core program, which utilizes a number of the cores that we have. So if you see something of interest today in one of the research cores that you'll hear about, I encourage you to pay attention for the call for announcements for this pilot and feasibility program and apply to it. This is run by Dan Bessison. It is targeted to early career investigators, fellows, junior faculty, early career scientists who have not yet achieved R-level funding. And this pilot and feasibility program encourages the use of our biomedical research cores. This is $40,000 over 2 years and can come from any discipline as long as the research is generally relevant to nutrition, obesity, or obesity-related pathologies. So keep an eye out in March or April for this announcement. And if you want to contact Christy Truesdale in our office, she can make sure that you're on the distribution list for that call. So with that, I'm going to introduce our three core directors. We'll first hear from Janine Higgins, who's the Clinical Intervention and Translation Core Director. We'll then hear from Wendy Court in the Energy Balance Assessment Core, and Brian Bergman, who oversees the Molecular and Cellular Analytical Core. And I want to stress before I turn the time over to them that our cores are run with strong partnerships that we have with other campus organizations. We have strong collaborations with the Department of Pediatrics, the Colorado CTSI, the Department of Medicine, the Colorado Cancer Center, and the Department of Orthopedics are among those that are very important for us to run these cores successfully. So with that, I'll turn the time. I'll stop this